SafeLine ORION is the new cloud service from your partner in lift safety. ORION gathers all your SafeLine monitoring into one accessible digital platform. There you can see the current status of your connected SafeLine devices and configure them from the comfort of your office. With the many tools so easily and quickly at hand, customers can perform all sorts of tasks online, like performing and disabling alarm tests online. The effective overview of all your units and the work that needs to be done allows you to easily plan ahead, avoiding the paperwork otherwise associated with such tasks. Using SafeLine LYRA, detailed statistics on lift behavior is automatically sent to the cloud. ORION then analyzes the data using artificial intelligence, giving customers indications of the current status and predicting when maintenance is due. Be notified of lift breakdowns and get someone on the job, maybe before anyone even notices the lift isn't working. With the independent monitoring hardware, you're able to analyze all types of lifts, regardless of lift manufacturer. Journey into the skies with ORION and let lifts come to you.